tayo. Mag-unbox na tayo. Simulan ko na kasi madaming darating mamaya. So, ito yung 2 packet or 2 package na in order namin, I think, no, isang gabi lang. Pero dumating siya kahapon. So, mabilis lang yung delivery dito again, guys. Okay. Natin. Isa na. So, hindi sila nagsabay-sabay. 2 box. Ito naman. So, at least may recycle dito. Maganda yung nagre-recycle kami dito. So, 2 items to, guys. Ano na ang kagandahan dito? Naka-prime si asawa. Love, how much are you paying for, ano? Did you pay for prime?
For what?
For prime?
For Prime?
Oo.
You mean the monthly payment?
Yeah.
$17.
So, $17 nagpabayad si Pedro sa Amazon for Prime Video. Yung benefits niya, guys.
Deal discounts on things.
Yeah. So, yung magandang benefits nito, meron siyang deals like free shipping. At the same time, meron siyang mga, sometimes it's, lablab eh,
Fast delivery.
yeah.
Yeah,
Fast delivery siya. Tapos, free shipping siya. Tapos, ang kaganda, syempre, meron kang connect sa Prime Video. And also, may mga promo. Yan, may mga promo. So, yan. So, ito yung namin, order namin na, ito yung sa, pads, coffee pads. Coffee, ito. Nag-order kami ng 3 flavors. So, sa isang ganito, meron siyang 10 pieces. So, kumuha kami ng 3 flavors since ito yung magiging first time namin. So, ang kinuha namin flavors is coffee stormio. I don't know kung paano yun i-pronounce. Check natin kay ChatGPT. Let's see. Hindi ko alam kung paano yun i-pronounce. Check natin. How will I do that now? Okay. Translate or stop shutter. Check natin kung paano ito i-pronounce. Hindi ako masyado Naku, pumutok na lang pala ang Buntok Kanlaon.
Meron muli na namang nabalot ng takot ang mga residente ng Negros Occidental matapos ang pagputok ng Mount Kanaon kaninang hapon.
How will you pronounce this? Coffee Stormio? Mali. Paano ba to? Again. Kausapin natin si ChatGPT. Okay.
Nagdulot yan ng takot at pangamba sa ilang residenteng nakatira
How will you pronounce Coffee Stormio?
So you pronounce it as coffee stormio.
Stormio.
Got it. So in that case, you'd say it as coffee stormio.
So,
Keeping that stress on the first
Coffee Stormio. So, how about Coffee Melozio?
Great question. In that case, you'd say it as coffee melozio.
Melozio. And ito namang isa is
Of course. Just let me know which other
Coffee Audacio.
Perfect. In that case, you pronounce it as coffee audacio.
Audacio. So, Coffee Audacio. Sabi niya, Coffee Melozio. Star Mio and Audazio. Arte, di ba? So, ano to guys? Sabi dito, toasted cereal oats.
Let's take a look at what
Coffee, 230 ml. Discover. Naalatin.
Okay.
And then,
Yeah,
ano pa ba to?
Angelica Alex, right? Okay.
Oh, this is Arabic coffee.
Make sure this is for
10 capsule of roast and ground coffee for the Nespresso system. This is Arabic coffee, but it is made from Switzerland. Distributed by Nespresso USA. Okay.
Okay. Okay, for the one. So let me confirm that she was set up correctly.
So again, 10 capsules to.
And then
From made in Switzerland, but it is an Arabic coffee. Okay. Vertuo. I think this is the brand, guys. Vertuo. Vertuo. Then meron siya ito. What's this? Discover exclusive coffees experience at Okay. And also, order din kami nito. Reusable coffee capsule. Nespresso Vertuo machine. Ito naman yung reusable na. Reusable naman to, guys. Bukas size ng isa nito. Try natin yung isa. So, ito yung sample coffee. Yung coffee capsule. Yan. Disposable to. Tapos, bumili kami ng reusable.
Right. So once we know that we coded right in our hand, it should release pay. Now the problem is, I know in their side,
Ito naman,
HR,
disposable.
they also have to code it as trade fair.
This 30 piece of capsule nga pala, ito, is $42. Ito naman, $19. Tapos, ito, reusable. So, yan. Yan. So, pupunan mo yung kape dito. Kasi gusto pa rin namin gamitin yung Starbucks. Si Pedro kasi gusto talaga niya Starbucks. So, pwede pa namin yung gamitin. And also, bibili pa rin kami nun. I don't know about this. Kung para sa to. So, ito yung disposable. Ito naman yung reusable.
Yeah, please.
So,
Yes, to check.
step 1, lagyan ng kape. Tapos, cover. Oh,
What state is she from? Hang on a second. State is from? I'm looking here.
okay. Pwede natin ilagay
Yeah.
ito daw.
If it's New York, then yes. Let me
But
see.
we don't need that.
Okay. Yep, it has to be with them. Yeah, it has to be with them. Yep, you have to check with HR for that. Okay. Okay. Cuídate. Bye.
Kailangan pala lagay pa rin to. Recommended na ilagay ito. For what? I don't know. So, technically, ito lang naman talaga. Tsaka scooper. Ito. Tapos, washable lang siya. Yun na yung importante doon. Washable. I don't know para saan to. Natin. Oh. So, kailangan ng silicone ring. So, may silicone ring pala to, guys. Oh, yun. May silicone ring. May silicone ring pala dito. So, ito is pamalit na silicone ring. Okay. So, yun lang po, guys. Tomorrow ulit yung iba. So, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo to. Ito yung Audacio. Then, ito naman yung Melozio brown, gold, or bronze. And then Stormio. Moss green. Ito yung Stormio. Stormio. So that's all, guys. God bless you.